So that is our final briefing finish before qualifying.
Whoa. Let's take a few steps back here. My name is Alan Hines, also known as HynesZ, and I'm competing in the Oman International Drift Championship for 2023. Last week, we competed in round 1, and we had a fantastic event. Although we had some issues along the way, we still managed to finish 3rd overall and get our first podium of the 2023 season. But now, in present day, we're here at round 2. It's the same track layout as round 1, so I think we'll skip all that and head straight into qualifying.
And Alan Hines taking that top spot. Well, at the moment, that is a big ask. What has Alan Hines got? Big flick initiation from Hines. Looks for the edge of the circuit, gets there, and now goes very, very fast through 2 into 3, but a little waver and a wobble in outside zone 3 for Alan Hines. Makes it work though as he transitions back. This is a fast run from Alan Hines. Mid-line, he's going to be flirting with danger here on that outside zone 4. Nice transition back from Alan Hines, a little shallow on outside zone 5. Oh, and the car shuts down.
We completed our first qualifying run, but mid-run you might have seen we ended up straining up, and basically they broke a drive shaft, the drive shaft bolts on the driver's side. So I think this might be damage from the subframe that split open during the HynesZ test, and maybe some contact we had in Japanese in Ireland. The boys are currently has swapped out the driver's side shaft bolts, but we're currently doing the passenger side, just so that we have it all covered. And you can see that they're broken here, they're just literally sheared, so I think it's a combination of just maybe being old or something, I'm not really sure. Shout out to the hand for the spare bolts. The team have it basically back together. Back on track for round 2. It's up because the car was super gripped up. It was really difficult to drive in fact, so I think we might add a bit of pressure to the tyres to make it a tad bit easier to drive, and we'll send it again for round 2.
Angry Alan Hines, through the gate he comes, big flick, big initiation, but not as deep as we'd like to see him. Anything right now though will keep Alan Hines in the show. He goes very wide into outside zone 3. Look at that line, absolutely textbook as he takes it right to the white line, right to the wall, flicks it across the circuit. Nice transition from Hines as he gets into outside zone 4. Just about holds it in that zone as he then pushes wide once again, looks for the transition back. Hines was on point this round just a week ago. It doesn't look like he's got enough in the tank this weekend to top qualifying as Alan Hines takes it to the line.
So we're back for day 2 here of the Oman International Drift Championship. Today is battle day, so we're getting the car ready right now. We're a little bit late to practice. We decided to sleep in a little bit earlier, or a little bit later this morning. Get into a needed rest after our PA qualifying yesterday. So yeah, the car's looking good, the team is ready. We'll warm up the car, get it out for some runs of practice, and then we've got a battle with Nicholas Sullivan later this evening. So I'm looking forward to it. Nicholas is a great guy, I've known him for many years, so it'll be finally great to drive with him on the track.
So your round 1 first place qualifier Hines off the line, took the third step on the podium at round 1. Nice initiation from Hines. Nicholas does gain it back though, and this is a perfect opportunity to make it back on the transition and drops wheels. Once again another good place to gain back that lost ground was there on outside zone 5. Solomon, nice initiation, very wide on the circuit, trying to drive away. Now he's going to try and put a little bit of distance between himself and Alan Hines. Into outside zone 4 now. Hines going to start forcing the pressure on to the side of that E92 BMW. As we see Nicholas Sullivan, nice transition. Alan Hines a little wobble there, went for the early transition, had to back out and get back into it again. Hines comes through the smoke, looks for the door. Well, there we go, Alan Hines gets the win, advances through, and a shame to see. have a decision from the judges. We'll get back to that one. Cones down from Jose Mussolani as he hunts down the back end. Oh wow, what a fouled initiation. The untested driver put to the question, to that qualifying line, back into the zone. Back to that, and that will give us a decision of who's going to make it through to the grade 8 initiation. Perfect this time for Jose Mussolani, but look at the proximity found. HynesZ hunting down the side, and that grey 46 BMW, nice line to outside zone 3 from Mussolani though, no messing around, heavy on the foot brake, slowing that car down, giving Alan HynesZ the opportunity to get up close personally to the door. Wheels drop from Mussolani though, but Alan HynesZ not messing around, he really needs to force an area, he needs to be careful though, he doesn't make contact, and the transition back, wheels over again from Mussolani, leading points away as Mussolani plays with a foot brake on and off the throttle into outside zone 6, hammers down, big acceleration across the line from Mussolani.
Battle was not really what I intended, you know. I went to initiate, and what I do is I go first, second, and then I use the shifting to third to flick the car in. But this time I money shifted. I actually went first, second to first, and then somehow managed to get it into third and kept going. I clutch kicked it in. And if you watch the replay, I don't have any GoPro footage unfortunately. If you watch the replay, you can see that yeah, he messed up behind. So look, his chase run was probably not the greatest, but I put that down to the mistake that I made on initiation that affected him. Then I thought, right, I'm going to have to push super hard. Spotter Reese was like, yeah, you're going to have to push super hard when we were cooling down the car. And so I decided to send it to the chase run, and we still managed to get the win. So to be honest, I'm a bit flabbergasted how we managed to get the win. I'm not really sure how we did that, but I think we'll take it and we'll move on, and we'll probably figure out. Look, we'll take it and we'll move on. Look, Fink. Oh shit. Oh, that'll be hilarious. So yeah. I'm a very like, oh, you know, yeah, hey Luke, Fink, and then I go back to, oh yeah. So yeah, we're moving on to top 8. I think we have either Clint or Nasser. I'm not really sure who we got. I think Nasser's car's coming back in off the truck, who qualified first. But we have Clint over Nasser. I think it's going to be a sick battle, so look forward to it.
So as it turned out, we had Clint Van Oort for our top 8 battle, and Clint is an amazing driver from Holland. I know his buddy Sebastian very well, but as you can see right now, Clint is really sticking it to us through into clipping point 3 right here. But you can see he's on the inside of the circuit. He's made a massive mistake in the chase position, as he's supposed to follow us throughout the track, and then right now he's only managed to get on to our door once again. So this is not really what Clint needs to do right now. He needs to be with us the whole way. Making mistakes is not what's going to happen, and as we say it, he hits us right here with rear wheel to contact. That forces us to drop a wheel over the white line, but he's still right there with us. And as we cross the finish line here, yeah, it's a lot of contact there, obviously not intended. And you can see my team here talking to the marshals here. I wanted a 10-minute timeout after that contact, because in my eyes it wasn't 100% my fault. As you can see here from the onboard, I transitioned through. Throttle input is still there, maybe 50 to 60 to 70%. You can see a bit of contact. You can see when he hits me, I actually oversteer and then I understeer a little bit. And you can see I'm trying to get the car back going again from the little tap and him accelerate. You can hear now I have a really bad knocking on the back right wheel where he hit me. So this is why I wanted the 10-minute timeout, because I wasn't sure what was wrong with the car. And in my eyes, it was like, look, this is not my fault that he hit me. So I wanted the judges to decide who was at fault for the contact, so that we could have time to repair our car and yeah, continue on. So this is kind of using the rules to its max, I suppose. As you can see, we managed to get our 10 minutes sorted. We had a car fixed in a minute. It was a chunk of rubber, and we chased Clint for his second run, and you can see he ends up spinning due to some previous damage that he had from before. So it's an unfortunate way to win a battle. This is kind of the most frustrating part of drifting, and it happens a lot. You know, sometimes you get battles that are super amazing, and a lot of times you get battles that don't end the way that you really want as a spectator. And for me as a driver, yeah, I don't want it to end that way either.
So we've just had a battle with Clint. Again, another messy battle. I don't really think I did anything wrong this time. They hit me on the final transition, or one of the final transitions. And we took we asked for a 10-minute timeout because there was a really bad knocking from the car when I was coming into the burnout box. It turned out to be just a piece of rubber, so it probably wasted the 10-minute rule for everyone spectating. So apologies for anyone watching wondering what the delay was. But anyway, we got the win on that. I think obviously don't want to win a battle based off contact, but it is what it is. We're now moving into the top 4. I'm not sure who we have yet. It's either Ahmed Al-Amari or Benedict Chirba. They had an amazing battle there. They had gone one more time, so we'll see what we have, and then yeah, we'll see how it goes.
for the last spot in the final away. Who's it going to be? Cherba has had so much practice, so much seat time on the circuit. He's dialed in, he knows that line, but look at Alan Hines reeling him in, looking to the door, looking for the rear end of that BMW as they fire through outside zone 4. Big transition back, Hines goes for it, move himself back into position, no such problems this side. But then it tests Cherba, as Cherba hammers the throw down, looking to drive away from Alan Hines. Every single time as Cherba looks for the side of the Pro Drift Academy 3, next 14. Look at the transition he makes. Oh, clinical from Cherba, almost contact, holds on to it, looks to make the dive. Is he going to come through the smoke? It certainly is. On the back bumper goes Cherba. Opened up as Simucube hammers the throttle down, looks to pull away. Alan Hines shortcuts the circuit. Alan Hines looks fine, but he hasn't got the pace. He can't match the grip and drive from the back of that BMW as he now makes a dive onto the side, but once again lost to that angle from Alan Hines, and a failed initiation from Vasiliauskas. Oh, Vasiliauskas shuts it down, and Alan Hines looks to take the third step on the podium as he fires through that final outside zone across the line.
Just like that, after an amazing night of battles, we managed to finish third place on the podium once again, second round in a row, and I could not believe it. Absolutely amazing event for us. A lot of luck on our side, but we managed to pull it off in the end and get another podium spot. And that is where we're going to end this video. I want to thank you all so much for the support and for watching this video. I hope you all did enjoy it. We'll be back again this Thursday and Friday, 9th and 10th of February for round 3 of the Oman International Championship. Make sure to check out the live stream. Links are in the description down below. We'll see you guys then.